So once again, I'm going to explain what are the top 12 algorithms of data science. We will see it and we will execute one by one. So there are linear regression takes first place for prediction of data, and yeah, predict the value of a dependent variable based on one or more independent variables. It is widely used in predictive modeling and forecasting, especially in weather forecasting. We are using a linear regression algorithm. Yeah, please record the session, Sundar. Then
I did. You can proceed.
Yeah, then the second logistic regression, it is a one more type of regression technique. So it is a statistical model is used to analyze the relationship between a categorical dependent variable and one or more independent variables like true or false, on and off. So based on decision, and we are classifying the data. That is called a logistic regression. And decision tree is one of the data mining classification technique. This algorithm is used for classification and regression analysis. They create a model by breaking down a data set into smaller subsets, eventually it leading to a prediction. That is the reason we are using decision trees. We have a root node and we have a left child and right child. Based on the root node, we are taking the decision whether it is falling down to true side or whether it is falling down to false side. Then fourth technique is a random forest algorithm. It is also one of the classification technique, and it is an ensemble learning method that combines multiple decision trees to improve prediction accuracy and reduce overfitting. So for that purpose, we are using logistic regression. How it is working, what is the principle behind that, I am going to explain through programming demonstration. Then the fifth technique is K nearest neighbor. K nearest neighbor, K is assumption here, neighbors, and it is a classification algorithm that identifies the K nearest data points to a target point, and we are classifies it based on the majority of a class among the K neighbors. Between one point to another point, we are calculating the distance x1, x2, y1, y2, and square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Based on that principle, the K nearest neighbor algorithm is working. Then naive Bayes algorithm, it is a probabilistic algorithm that uses Bayes theorem to classify the data. It is widely used for text classification, spam filtering, and sentiment analysis. Then seventh one is support vector machine. It is a type of supervised learning. Supervised learning is nothing but based on the label target class. We are dividing into number of classes. That is called supervised learning. That can be used for both classification and regression analysis. It finds a hyperplane that best separates data into different classes. So in a graph, if you see the hyperplane, below hyperplane, one classification, above the hyperplane, we have one more classification. Based on the threshold value, we are calculating the distance between label, from label to points. Then eighth technique is a neural networks. Neural networks is a type of machine learning algorithm. It is modeled after the human brain. They are widely used in image processing and speech recognition like audio, video, text, graphics, animation, and image processing applications, especially natural language processing and other complex tasks. We are performing neural networks in order to extract the features of the particular image or audio or video or text or graphics animation kind of applications. Then the ninth algorithm is a principal component analysis. So it is a dimensionality reduction, and it is used to reduce the number of variables in a data set while retaining the most important information. That's why, especially in face recognition application, we are using principal component analysis. We are reducing the orthogonal components. We are reducing the number of variables on the face or image. That's why it is so popular in order to recognizing the face. Then the 10th algorithm is a priori algorithm. A priori algorithm is an association rule mining technique. And this algorithm is used in association rule mining. I would like to explain small analogy about a priori algorithm. In the year 1990, Han and Camber, two scientists, they are pursuing their master's degree. While pursuing their master's degree, and they have collected 10 years legacy data from the Walmarts. Usually US people are enjoying outing on Saturday and Sunday, and likewise with their families they're outing. They're collecting various materials for family purpose. They used to go Walmarts and collecting their food and everything, all the items, required items. Like the 10 years legacy data they have collected and they have stored in the system. They have done a pre-processing technique on the 10 years Walmart data. Then they have applied a prediction algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, and non-linear regression, SVM, support vector machine, like classification techniques and clustering techniques they have applied. And they have also applied association rule mining technique like a priori algorithm. Surprisingly, they got two items are heavily sold out. So what are the two items are heavily sold out? Every Saturday, Sunday, US people are outing with their family, with their children. And now you can guess, Sundar, what I am asking. Two items are heavily sold out. What are the two items are having a great association relationship between two important items they have found in the 10 years Walmart data? Can I expect answer from you,
Yeah,
Sundar?
absolutely. I mean, you know, it's Walmart is so huge. Walmart has a grocery, medicine, and
Yes,
home
perfect,
outdoor and all.
perfect. I'm
So,
expecting only two items. What are the two items are heavily sold out from the Walmart data?
so,
Surprisingly, they found. That's why data science and data mining
so
concepts
if
are
it,
very important.
so if it is,
Yeah.
sir, if it's going to be summer, I can tell you this. If it's going to be summer and Walmart, the heavily sold out item, surprisingly, would be is the sunscreen. But
Oh,
in this case, as you said, like again, the Walmart is all seasonal company. They switch it based on the season. Did they tell you which season was it? A summer, winter, autumn,
yeah, yeah.
spring?
Perfect answer. Perfect answer. But in that duration 1990, 10 years legacy data, historical data, they found two items are heavily sold out. If you
Is it
listen that
water?
answer, you get surprised. Can you guess it? Once again, I'm giving chance.
So was it okay? Let me answer it, please. Is it the food? Is it the food or no?
Yeah, yeah, but you are trying to reach the answer, but not correct answer.
One second,
According
one
to their
second, one
10
second.
years Walmart
Let
data.
me get to it.
Yeah,
Is
right.
it eatable or no?
Yeah, one is no, 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 no. It is not eatable. Now
So it
try.
is not. Huh?
It is not eatable item. Now you
Okay,
can
so it's
guess.
not eatable. It's not drinkable. Correct.
Drinkable, it is correct.
Then cook.
Yeah, not Coke. It's okay.
Okay, that's fine. It's
Yeah,
water.
no. Everybody
Okay.
used to take.
Uh,
Yeah, almost all, 90%.
okay.
Drinkable.
Okay. So you know, it's not if it's not a it's not like a the carbonated drink. If it's not a water,
Yeah,
then then if they are outing means like of course a beer. Uh,
correct. Your answer is absolutely correct. One answer. Can you guess one more answer? association relationship between beer and what is a best combination for that? They found surprisingly in the 10 years Walmart data and legacy data.
So it's a chips.
Everybody guess, but it is a wrong answer. If you listen that answer, you will surprise. That's what data science and data mining does. It extract hidden patterns and insights from the huge volume of data. That's why this subject having that much demand. Can you imagine? Once again, I'm giving chance.
Oh yeah.
Chips is not correct.
So the second one is also eatable?
No, because US families and whoever stays in abroad, usually they are outing with their children. Now you can guess it.
Okay, they are outing with their children outside means like this one, we call this as a cooler.
Oh, again you are guessing correct answer, but not accurate answer. It's okay. If you listen, you will get surprised, Sundar. Can I reveal the answer?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Beer and a diaper for children. See how that combination came. Surprised. Out of 10 years legacy data, they found beer and diaper is the best association combination by using Apriori algorithm and FP growth algorithm. They found surprising items and they have extracted insights from the 10 years Walmart data. That's why this subject data science and data mining having potential. Yeah.
Can I tell you something? The truth is, the Walmart, you're absolutely right. Walmart, they have a very small place for beer. They have a very small, very small means less rack space for a diaper, less rack space for beer. But
correct.
But the others, they have more. But I think, when there is kind of outing, that both will run out. Okay, got it. Yep.
Yeah, perfect answer. That is the behind story played by the Apriori algorithm. It defines the frequent item sets. Now you got it, beer and diaper and bread and jam. These are the combinations.
Yep.
And these are the most frequent item sets in a data set. Data set is a combination of rows and columns and generates best top 10 rules. And that describes the relationship between different items. That is the funniest thing we are extracting from huge volume of data by using Apriori algorithm and FP growth algorithm. FP growth means frequent pattern item set algorithm. Next, 11th algorithm is a k-means clustering. Clustering is a group of objects that objects are having similar behavior in the nature. And K stands for a number of assumptions. And k-means clustering is an unsupervised learning. There is no label. There is no target class, but I would like to classify the data based on the similarity measure. For similarity measure, I am calculating formula is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. And this algorithm is used to partition a data set into k distinct and non-overlapping subsets. Those are the clusters based on their similarity measure. An unsupervised clustering algorithm that groups data into k distinct clusters based on their features. So that is called k-means clustering. We will see how it does work through algorithmic by using Python programming. Now I am going to demonstrate all 12 algorithms. Then neural networks and deep learning. Neural networks is the fundamental concept for machine learning and deep learning. So neural networks came into the picture based on the neurons, how human brain works as a functionally. From that one, biological neuron inspired by the artificial neural networks. And this is inspired by the structure and the function of the brain. Deep learning models like DNN, deep neural networks, CNN, convolutional neural networks, and RNN, recurrent neural networks, And machine learning techniques, you know already: classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection, often used with the time series and sequential data, have been especially influential recently. These are the 12 algorithms now I am going to demonstrate. Now see the first algorithm. Before going to this algorithm, I would like to explain very simple how to install. My screen is visible, Sundar. Can I
Yes.
share? Yeah.
Yes.
So now, yeah, suppose you are a layman of, you don't know Python programming, just assume that Python software. So I used to treat like this, and I used to tell the steps of how to install Python, very simple. Just I'm typing Python software, and I'm going to download from welcome to python.org.
So,
So here, yeah,
so the
very simple. 2 minutes only it takes. So I'm
so
downloading. Yeah, tell me.
so um, I think can I call you coach? Coach is a good word. We use it in US. Coach means like teacher. So can I call you coach if you don't mind?
Yeah, no problem. Otherwise, Dr. Asadi, no problem. Asadi,
Okay.
you can call me.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Friendly coach is a friendly way too. So,
Yeah, perfect.
so I can call you. Okay,
Yeah,
coach. I'm seeing the PPT. I'm not seeing the other
perfect,
website.
perfect. That's what I'm sharing. I'm sharing the screen once again. Stop sharing and confirm screen switch. Okay, 1 second. Now I think now it is visible.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Now from here, you just type just go to Google and type Python software, and like this, and you just go to python.org. Welcome to python.org. So this is the URL. Now see the Python 3.12.0. So this is the latest version. I'm downloading this software. Now see here,
Yeah.
Sundar. Now I have downloaded this software. See, it is downloading here.
It is.
So
It is
where
loading.
I'm
Okay.
yeah.
So hold on. You said Python 12.0. Okay, download.
Yeah,
Okay, I am
perfect.
going to download.
Yeah, perfect. Same steps you can follow. Now
And
you are seeing my
so,
screen. Yeah. Now see
where
here.
did I went to Python download. Okay,
Yeah,
I have to go to Windows. Okay, got it.
Windows. Yes, perfect.
Windows.
Now my screen is visible, Sundar.
Where did you go? You go to download Windows Python?
Yeah, just are you in the Windows platform right now?
I'm in the Windows. I'm in the python.org, but I don't
Perfect.
see, if I click download, I don't see the executables.
Yeah. Please see here. Once again, I'm showing. So here is the screen. My screen is visible right now, Sundar.
Yes,
See, yeah,
yes,
downloads. See here, right side, Python
yes.
3.12.0. Now you can click this one. Okay. So you double click, and you are going to see my screen is visible right now,
Oh, yes,
Sundar.
yes, I can. Yeah, it's
See,
downloaded.
Python, yeah, Python 3.12.0. So
Yeah.
now double click. In this one, double click. So, so here I'm uninstalling, and once again for you I'm installing. Please see here.
Because you said only the website, so
Yeah,
anything installation is not gonna come back.
wait. Yeah, I know, because I want to switch to installation now. See here.
So they said when I install, right?
Yeah. Now
When it
my
goes,
screen is visible. Now my
yes, I
screen
can
is
see it.
visible.
Before you
Yeah.
go to before you go to the install Python, it's a install now includes. Uh,
Yeah.
I picked that one. Yep, I'm installing.
Yeah, you need to select add path, Sundar. Please select add path. I'm showing for you that for that purpose, I'm doing uninstallation right now. I'm going to show you while installing. You will select two tick boxes. One
Oh,
is
okay.
for
Let me undo.
libraries, and one more is for path selection. Now see, now I'm doing here. Now what I'm doing, I'm double clicking this screen. Now see here, add path is there. My screen is visible,
No,
Sundar.
it's not visible. It's gone.
it is showing like that? Can I switch to entire screen where I can see?
Yes, you can see when you say share,
Yeah,
there's the other tab, you will see it.
yeah.
The
Skype,
monitor, you can pick the entire monitor.
where it is? Where it is? I'm not getting. Ah, monitor. Okay, now I got it. Now I'm sharing entire monitor. Now it is
Yes, I
visible.
can see. I can
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah, now this is the installation Python 3.12.0 64-bit. Here install and customize install. Now here in the below, this one you need to select add path. Now I
Oh,
have selected checkbox.
I
Add
know.
python.exe. This is exe file. It will automatically install in your local drive. It gives automatically path. That is the reason I'm selecting add python.exe. Now you can do installation like
Okay,
this.
I'm
It
doing it
takes
right now.
only 1 minute. It takes only 1 minute for installation. Now I am going to demonstrate a very simple program. Then we will jump into 12 important data science algorithms. Top 12 algorithms with execution I am going to demonstrate. Now my installation is visible, Sundar. Are you?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Now, yeah. See, now installation is completed, almost all. Yes. Now
Yeah,
it will
mine
display
is slow.
setup
Yeah, I
was
can.
successful. Is it visible? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, that's visible, but
Yeah,
mine is still
perfect.
running. Yeah,
Now,
mine is still.
now you need to go to the command prompt. You need to go to command prompt, type CMD. CMD means command prompt.
Okay.
Yeah. Please select the command prompt.
Oh, my still. I have a. It's still installation going on.
It's okay. It's
So,
okay. I'll wait for that. It's okay. No, it
would
takes
you?
only
Yeah,
2 minutes.
if you like to drink water or something, you can because
Yeah, yeah.
mine my system is too slow.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. I'm taking water.
So mine is pretty slow. Let me get a water. I think by the time it
Sure,
runs.
sure. Hello, madam. Madam, we will prepare, I will prepare dal and papu or rice. Then I will take.
Yeah, it is still running. My system is slow.
Oh, okay. No, no problem. The evening, okay. Yeah, no problem, madam. Yeah, thank you. Sorry, Sundar. Are you ready with your system right now?
It is just
Yeah.
still running. Okay, it's done. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's done.
So setup was successful right now. Is it okay?
Yes, yes,
Yeah. Now, can you see my screen?
yes.
Perfect. Now see whether you have installed Python successful or not. How to check? Type just you open also Python. Just type like this. Just type Python.
Yep,
Can you share the
3.12.0.
screen so that I'll guide you how to do it? So that it is you need to do practice. Then
Yes,
I will show my algorithms explanation. Can you share your screen? Can I
yes, I
stop my
can.
screen? Perfect. Second. Otherwise, if you want me to execute, I'll execute first basic programs. Then I will see your screen, how you are going to execute. Then we will go to the 12 programs. Okay.
Yes,
Can I
yes.
do? That is
One,
good.
yes, 1 second. I'm not able to share it. Oh, okay, hold on.
Okay. No problem.
1 second. Ah, why is that? Why I'm not able to share it?
It's okay. No problem.
It's hang.
Yeah.
1 second.
I will help you. Don't worry.
My PC is own. It's a 5 years old one.
Yeah, yeah.
So I am clicking the share button. It's not working.
No, no. First, I have to stop my sharing. No? Maybe that is the reason. I'll stop my sharing. Can I do that? Or you can see first I'll demonstrate in my system. Then you can I will check whether you are able to do in ideally command prompt.
I
Can I do
think
right now?
my
Yeah.
Skype is frozen.
Okay. Now it is not visible. My screen also not visible.
Yeah, I can see your screen, but my Skype, I can see your screen. None of the button has been working on the Skype.
Okay. First, let me execute first two programs, small programs. Then you can restart your system. Then I think
Yeah.
it will work. Okay. So now see, for checking Python, now what is the version? Sundar, my screen is visible. Can you able to read? What is the
Yeah,
Python version I have installed?
3.0.0. Yeah, I can see the
Perfect.
3.0.0. Yes.
Perfect. Now, hash is a Python comment section. Write a Python program. See here to perform addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. So first a simple program I'm executing. This is a comment section. Now variable A I'm assigning with 2. Variable B input value I'm taking A equal to 3, A equal to 2, B equal to 3 and C is equal to A plus B. C is equal to A plus B. Now see, I'm checking the C value.
Yep.
Yeah, 2 plus 3, 5. Otherwise, you can check like this also. Print C. You are getting output. Now, this is a small program for addition. Same way, you can do subtraction A minus B. Then check the value D value minus 1. Then multiplication A is equal to A multiplied by B. You can check the value of E. And F, you can check the value of division. Then check the value of division 0.66. My screen is visible. Sundar, please
Yeah,
let me know.
absolutely. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm following you.
yeah. And G is equal to A modulus by B. You can check the G value. So 2. So this is called IDLE execution. Now I'm using Python programming. Python programming version is 3.12.0 and Python is an interpreted language because it gives every statement gives the output. That's why it is an interpreted language.
Um,
Yeah.
can I close the Skype and come back? I can show my screen. I have the
Yeah,
all the
yeah,
answers,
sure,
but
sure,
I can't
sure,
show it.
sure, sure, sure. I'm
Let me
quitting the,
close it.
yeah, you can close, no problem. You
Yes.
can close it. So I'll take 2 minutes a break right now.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Madam, I'll help you, madam. I'll keep rice also. So Saturday complete, you are taking break, madam. Yeah. My wife also does. This is Kartik Masam, madam. Actually, my wife does.